Hello, good evening. How are you doing? So I'm going to show you how you can use teleprompter to make your videos more effective. There are some people that don't like making videos for their business or brands because they sometimes they tend to forget their script, and then the video does not come out very well. So I'm going to show you how you can use your phone to make videos while you even put your text in those videos and you are reading along and making the videos along. Okay, so we're going to use an app called CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut on your phone, you can go to your Play Store and download it. All right, you can go to your Play Store and download it. Once you are in the CapCut environment, you see by the right hand corner of your screen on top, you see prompter. You click on prompter. All right, once you click on prompter, you're going to see 60 seconds, 15 seconds, and 3 minutes. Okay, so you see it's something that is like pencil. You see something like pencil, so you click on it to adjust, or you can edit. You can delete. Okay, you can delete, you can clear all. Okay, so you can click and hold, then paste your text, or you can type thank you. Okay, so once you are done, you click on done. Okay, once you click on done, you see this this setting thing beside the pencil stuff. You click on it. Okay, so you click on it. You can adjust the text how you want it to be appearing, whether it should be fast, how you want it to be going, to be fast, to be slow. Okay, but I like to put it around 60. Okay, so you can adjust the text to be big or to be small. All right, so I like to keep it medium. So you can even change the color of your text. You can change it to yellow, you can change it to red, you can change it to pink, you can change it to green. Okay, so once you are done, you just tap on the screen to let that go. So once you are done, you'll be able to click on you can click on this round thing here to start recording. Okay, once you start recording like that, like so, it's going to do a countdown for you to get ready. Okay, here. All right, so you click on okay there, click on export. You export your video. All right, your video is exporting. So that is how to make videos using teleprompter.